Alright guys, what to do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we have to talk about why the whole crypto space is just blowing up out of proportion. Like, what all of a sudden happened that's causing prices to go parabolic, right? We all want to know, because like the past month, 2 months, been pretty desolate for the crypto market. Like nobody's really been talking about it. Everybody's just seeing how it's just dropping. So yeah, we got to talk about this. We both definitely got to. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we talking about crypto, but before we talk about why crypto is just blowing up, how about you blow up my channel? It would be I would really appreciate it. I'm trying pretty hard here, guys. Be much appreciated. If you subscribe to my channel, most definitely like this video. So you do that, and we're gonna wait for it. Appreciate it. All right. So we talking what made crypto blow. First of all, we're gonna talk about Ethereum, because everybody that knows you new to the channel, or if you watched the channel before, I want y'all to know I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I think Ethereum is gonna be the crypto asset of all crypto assets. And I can go into a hot little rant about why, but just know I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I mine Ethereum, I buy Ethereum, I stake Ethereum. You hear me? But why is all of a sudden these prices going up? Well, if you don't know, as far as Ethereum, what's causing Ethereum to jump in price? What's causing the jump in price will be the London hard fork. What is the London hard fork? The London hard fork is pretty much the new algorithm for Ethereum. Currently, the algorithm for Ethereum, well, prior was pretty much the transaction fees can pretty much be set by the miners, because they will make you bid for it to get your transactions, right? They're taking that perk away from the miners, and they're going to pretty much create a system like a bot, the pretty bot of course, to do the transaction automatically. So therefore a miner can't have that perk no more, and by doing this they're going to be able to lower the actual fees. And if you lower the fees, it's better, because now just to use your Ethereum or transfer this in or buy Ethereum will be cheaper, which will be a great thing, right? This is what everybody wants. But also the fee to actually buy, sell Ethereum, that actual fee, instead of that fee going to the miner, that fee will actually be Ethereum, which will be burned. And by burn, that means it's going to be taken out of circulation. So let's say there's a $5 transaction fee. It's like 0.x amount of Ethereum, right? Instead of that Ethereum being moved to the miner, that fee would then be burned. So that Ethereum would no longer exist. And the whole purpose of this would be, like I said, it's going to lower the fees, and it's going to lower how much actual Ethereum is in circulation, which will in turn help it be more rare, hopefully to boost the price. So people are happy that the fees are going down in price, and since it's burning the Ethereum out of existence, it should help boost it in price, right? That's pretty much what the hard fork is, and due to that, Ethereum is going up in value. And the reason why Bitcoin is starting to gain traction and also trend up is due to the fact that all the companies that are buying into Grayscale were staking their crypto. And that crypto, pretty much what it means, the stake is you will put it up for stake, and you can't buy or sell until that stake term has ended. The stake term has finally ended. Now that it has ended, they can buy and sell crypto. So a lot of these companies are starting to buy more of crypto. And due to that fact, of course, they're buying Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is pretty much one of the main ones. But since they are starting to buy, that is causing the price to start rising. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, Now, if all of this true, what are the price predictions? How high can they go? That is no way for you to know. Literally, there's no way for you to know. If you try to Google search it and look through all these forums and websites, you're gonna hear people say Bitcoin to 100K, Bitcoin to 500K, Ethereum to 10K by the end of the year, Ethereum to 20K by 2023. There are so many predictions that you're going to hear, but in hindsight, there's literally no way for you to know. Now, what you can do is, if you are a strong advocate of cryptocurrency, you can just trickle and buy in. $100 a month, $250 a month, $300 a month, whatever you can buy, you can just keep buying in. If you are a long-term believer in a crypto, right? What I'm personally doing, I am personally not buying any more Ethereum. I'm still mining the Ethereum until Ethereum 2.0 drops, which should be in 2022. So I will continue to mine Ethereum, but as far as me buying in, I will not be buying in anymore. I'm holding, I think, around 3 to 4 coins now. My goal is to get to 10. If it does a sharp drop, then I may consider buying in. But as it's rising in price, I will not buy anymore. Just because it's rising, there's no point. If it starts to make a drop, then yeah, I will start buying then. But as of now, no. My price predictions, truthfully, I think Ethereum could hit 5K. Maybe by February of next year. But like I said again, it's pretty volatile, and I don't know. It's kind of hard to say. You really don't know, especially with this, like, you never know, especially with this infrastructure package. You just have no idea. That's pretty much what everybody's waiting to see. What's going to happen with this infrastructure package? Like I said, I'm personally not buying it. I'm just going to keep the mining rig running for as long as it can run. But that is the crevices of what's making the crypto market pop right now, guys. Like I said, if you're not investing in the crypto, I would say something's wrong with you. I'm not saying go throw all your money in, but I would say let it be, I would say 1 to 3% of your portfolio. Me personally, that's just me, 1 to 3%. Mine is way more than 3%, which is why I'm not buying it anymore. I'm just gonna let the mining rig take over. But it's a potential and high chance crypto is here to stay, more than likely. But my main focus is, like I said, I'm me personally, I'm just waiting for a good point to sell. I really am looking forward to hopefully Kathy Wood can get this ARC B, which will be an index fund for cryptocurrency. I really hope she can get that going. If so, that would be where my money would be going. But as of right now, like I said, I'm not buying anymore, just watching the train and the hypeness. But that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this information for you. Most definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Most definitely like this video. Really means a lot. And it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.